Hi, I'm Hiroshi. How's your business going? I've been working at home around 3 months of the coronavirus. Today, I'd like to introduce two news from Japan. One, what Japan's factory consider now under the risk of the coronavirus. Two, how to maintaining production. I'll introduce three cases. What Japan's factory is considering now. Our research shows 70% of manufacturers said supply network review. As a method, 65% were to be able to change suppliers in response to a crisis flexibly, and 57% were to reduce the concentration in specific countries and promote diversification. The Japanese government already declared that they would pay the cost to relocate factories. It's cost half and two-thirds. It means get out of China. How to maintaining production. Measures such as implementing temperature measurement and reviewing line spacing and distance between workers are conspicuous. A factory has been carrying out two-team shift work. Workers are divided into two groups and replaced in the first half and the second half. Daikin, world major air conditioning manufacturer, has introduced a staggered time. Employees will work 30 minutes earlier than usual to prevent crowding during work. And employees wear work clothes at home in the morning and prevent contact with other employees when changing clothes at factory. Murata, world major electric parts manufacturer, strives to reduce the risk of mass infection. Based on the self-declaration of employees, they record the behavior inside and outside the company, so they can know and decide who should stay home at once. Please click like and comment and share and be my first degree connection.